has a leak, and I will try to find where that leak is coming from. So I'm going to a specialist who will help me out doing this stuff. So let's do it.
Oh yeah, you heard of me?
Alright, so we are almost in the place. Let's see what they will say to us. Okay, so this is the place right here.
A few moments later.
I'm so jealous right now. Damn, this guy is a beast. Oh my goodness. Damn.
Aqui tem fugas. Aqui tem fugas e aqui também. Aqui nessas juntas aqui. Aqui. Deixa a mão.
I have two options. I can fix this. The other option is to build a custom exhaust. And with a custom exhaust, maybe I can get a little bit of power. Maybe. But the main link is here. This is the main link. So I will have to analyze that. Now I'm waiting for them to give me the quotation. But yeah, I have two options as I said. One is to change the wall exhaust from the top main fold to the rear end. The second option is to buy some gaskets and fix it for now, but I will try to see what they have to say to me, and I will analyze if I will buy the gaskets only and put that on for just for now, or if I will custom build the exhaust. Let's see. Guys, they gave me the code, and for now it's better to just fix the leak. I will fix the leak now, then in other time I will just order them to me. Now I have to wait and let them, because I don't know how to fix exhausts. So I will let the professionals do. So this is an example of a custom built exhaust. As you can see, with custom welds here.
Manito, traz tentar time. Traz time.
Exhaust came out from the header straight through the muffler. It was on the Nissan Silvia that I show you. This is the gear that they have. Some great stuff ridiculous coming from here. So this is Bruce. As you can see, it still looks shiny. Alright. The gaskets are there. We had to put some high temperature silicone to make sure that it won't leak from anywhere. Yeah. Meanwhile, watching those guys playing football. Alright, let's get started. The man now is moving up. Okay, the man just finishes to try the balls. Now I'm going to start the cut. See how it's more fighter now. That's it. Everything is folded up. Now it's time to go home. The beast is over there. And I am rolling. Just put on my seatbelt. Safety first. I will be. So that's it, guys. I think it's all for today's episode. That we fixed my exhaust. Just a quick fix. With time I will be changing the whole exhaust to make sure that it sounds good. I will be putting on a new muffler. The whole piping will be done, and I hope I get some performance. So thank you guys once again for joining in my channel. So if you like my videos, please put a like, comment below, and please subscribe. Okay, see you next time.